Namaskar.
Namaskar.
We are from Assam. Myself, Jeannie.
I am Brinda.
Today we have made this video to inform you certain kind of things. Just don't skip the video. Just hear what we want to say.
And I won't say share it, but please help us spread this message, okay? Currently, we all know what is going on in Assam, right? It's not like CAB is only passed in Assam. But we people of Assam, we are agitated. We are hurt. Our sentiments has been hurt because of this stupid bill like CAB. Because Assam is a state which have a unique culture, heritage, everything, and everything is in jeopardy currently because of this foreign immigrants.
We don't have to explain you what is CAB, Citizenship Amendment Bill. But we want to say something. CAB is a bill which is implemented over all India. But it has affected only our place mostly, that is Assam. We want our place is burning. It's just burning out of sentiments. It's our identity, our motherland has been hurt. And for soon we are gonna lose our language. Our language, Assamese, will be the minority in our own place. Just don't think that it's not happening in your states. So you will just sit and see how it's burning.
Yeah.
You are next.
Yeah.
Do remember that.
Don't think you are safe. And we are kind of in a helpless situation because we are a direct state which shares the boundary with Bangladesh. If you see the geography of India properly, like there is Northeast included in the India map, right? But currently the Modi government have till now never will, and they will never consider Northeast as part of India. Our emotions, our sentiments, everything have been looked upon.
And
Amit Shah in Lok Sabha literally said there is no protest going on anywhere. National television is overlooking our footage of what actually is going on in Assam.
We want national media to cover this, make it a global issue. People should know how the people of Assam are burning, what is happening in Assam. We want you, the national media, we request you, please do spread what is happening in Assam. Because it's not that it's only Assam who is burning. Gradually, all the other states is gonna burn.
You can't just say that, don't worry, people of Assam, you won't be affected. Your culture, heritage, everything will be protected.
How can you say that? When lakhs, crores, millions of immigrants, foreign immigrants are coming and they are gonna reside in our place, how can you guarantee that our culture, our language will be just protected? How can you say that?
This is total bullshit. Everybody knows this. We can't keep quiet now. It is a democratic country. But
where is democracy?
Currently, democracy has no existence. Media is banned from reporting any activities relating to CAB.
Yeah, curfew has been launched over Assam. Internet has been banned for 48 hours. And we don't know when they are going to get back all those rights that they have.
Army personnel are everywhere on the road.
Paramilitary force has been launched over Assam. Nobody can step out right ahead of their colony, right ahead of their boundary gate. They are standing outside the paramilitary force with their guns right ready to shoot. So please help us. We request everyone who are residing outside of Assam, please do help us.
Please at least share this message.
Yeah.
That is the least you can do as a student. We're not asking for go and make a protest and stuff, but we are students, at least we can do this much. We can spread. We are intellectually aware of the social media. We know how to use it. Use your social media, use your everything in a positive way currently. This is an urgent issue. Thank you to Ingraji Bonano because Ohomia সৰল ভাৱে অসমৰ বাহিৰে বা নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ বাহিৰে বহুত কম মানুহে বুজি পাব বাহিৰত আউট অফ আসাম আৰু এই ভিডিঅ' যদি আমি যিমান পাৰো আমি বেলেগ বহুত মানুহক ৰিচ কৰিব ট্ৰাই কৰিব বিচাৰো সেইভাবে বনাইছো
আৰু আমি এই ভিডিঅ'টো বনাইছো আৰু এটা ক'ব বিচাৰো যে আমাৰ যোনবিলাক বন্ধু বান্ধৱী আছে অসমত বৰ্তমান আছে তেওঁলোক যুঁজি আছে বৰ্তমান আমাৰ কালচাৰ আমাৰ অসমীয়া ভাষাটো বচাবলৈ তেওঁলোকৰ লগত আমি সদায় আছো আৰু এইটো ভুল বুজিব নালাগে যে অসমীয়া অকল অসমতে আছে অসমীয়া গোটেই ভাৰতবৰ্ষত আছে আৰু যোনবোৰ বাহিৰত আছে আমি যেনে বাহিৰত পঢ়ি আছে তেওঁলোকে তোমালোকক পুৰা সহায় কৰিব তোমালোকৰ ইন্টাৰনেট সেৱাটো বন্ধ কৰি দিয়া হৈছে এই কাৰণে আমি তোমালোক যিমান পাৰো হেল্প কৰিব বিচাৰিছো সহায় কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰিছো
আমি ইমান সোনকালে ইস্যুটো মৰিব নিদিও
আমি ভিডিঅ' ক্লিপ আমি এটা সৰু ভিডিঅ' ক্লিপ বনাই পেলাই বিচাৰিছো এই ইস্যুটো অলপমান বাহিৰলৈ যাওক অসমৰ বাহিৰলৈ যাওক সেইকাৰণে আমাৰ ইংৰাজীত বনোৱা হৈছিল ভিডিঅ'টো বাহিৰৰ মানুহে গম পাওক কি হৈ আছে অসমত সেইকাৰণে আমি অসমীয়া ভাষাটো প্ৰয়োগ কৰা নাই আমাৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত আৰু আমাৰ অসমীয়া বন্ধু বান্ধৱী তোমালোকৰ লগত আমি সদায় আছো আমাৰ গাত অসমীয়া তেজ আছে তোমালোকে কেতিয়াও হাৰ নামানিবা আমি অসমীয়া ভাষাটো জীয়াই ৰাখিম আমি অসমীয়া ভাষাটোত ভাল পাওঁ আমি অসমত জন্ম হৈছো
অসম আমাৰ
আৰু বিজেপি গভৰ্ণমেণ্টক পাৱাৰ আমি দিছো তেওঁলোকক গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট আমি বনাইছো
আমি ওলাব পাৰো
আমি দিছো ফৰাই পেলাব আমিয়ে পাৰো সেই বস্তুটো বিজেপি গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে জানিব লাগে আৰু নেক্সট ইলেকশ্যনছত তেওঁলোকে গম পাই যাব অসমীয়া কি হয় এটা জাতিৰ সেন্টিমেন্ট এটা জাতিৰ
হাৰ্টৰ খেলাটো
কিমান এটা ভয়ানক পৰিস্থিতিলৈ যাব পাৰে তেওঁলোকে নিশ্চয় গম পাব
আৰু লাষ্টত
আমি এষাৰ কথা ক'ব বিচাৰো আছে হেংদাং লোৱা নাই ললে হেংদাং ৰক্ষা নাই